video, we will show you how to retrofit a Yale Keyless Connected Smartlock onto your timber door. To begin, put your key into your existing lock. Make a note, does it only turn one way? Disassemble your existing night latch by first taking out these two screws and removing your night latch case. Take out all of the screws from the mounting plate and remove. This will enable you to remove the lock from the front of the door at the same time. Remove your existing staple from the door frame. Next, cut out the template, which can be found in the installation guide. Position the template on your door, ensuring you line it up with the existing 32mm hole on your door, and mark the central point of where the 15mm hole is to be drilled. Now, using a 15mm timber drill bit, drill this hole. Ensure you drill from both sides of the door, making sure the hole is straight. Put your new Yale Smartlock in the hole on the outside of the door with the battery cable through the 15mm hole. Using the ruler on the template, measure from the door surface and mark the connecting bar. The length required will vary depending on your night latch. Please refer to your night latch installation manual. Remove the lock from the door and carefully cut the connecting bar at the marked point. The projection of the connecting bar is important to ensure the lock works correctly. Do not cut the tail bar shorter than necessary. If your old night latch only turned in one direction, attach the handing plate onto the cylinder fixing surface using the self-adhesive pad provided, as per your earlier note, left or right, with the correct direction text facing toward you. As shown, for some installations you will need to replace your existing night latch at this stage. Using the template provided, choose the correct screw length according to your door thickness. Fix the mounting plate in place through the holes using the two screws selected to secure the external keypad. If you are fitting a new night latch, then you may need to chisel the door and add more screws when fixing this in place. Place the lock case over the mounting plate, making sure that the flat connecting bar is inside the slot in the locked case and push towards the door. Secure the lock case to the mounting plate with the two small screws provided. When fitting your new night latch, you will also need to change the staple. You may need to chisel the door frame to fit. Plug the cable into the connector on the battery back, then secure around the metal mounting plate. Push any extra cable into the hollow behind the battery pack and then place the battery pack onto the door. Make sure the battery pack is square with the door and fix it using the screw according to your door thickness. Fix the wood screw to completely secure the battery pack in place. Insert the batteries provided and close the cover. Wake up the outside by placing your hand over the keypad and enter the master code followed by the hash button. If you are setting up the code for the first time, the master code will be 123456. Press the 1 button followed by the hash button. Enter a new 6-digit master code followed by the hash button. The lock will make a 3-tone beep to confirm the code has been added. The lock installation is now complete.